it's me again, Daffodil. So today's video I will be making a first impression unboxing of this Revlon fast drying hair dryer. Actually, I'm getting ready for another video with my daughter, and I need to dry my hair, and I bought this one like 2 months ago, but I wasn't able to open it yet. And this is from Walmart. It was, I think, $9.99 at that time. It's so affordable, and I'm not really into buying expensive stuff, so as much as there is an item that is affordable, I'm into that item rather than the expensive one. So let's open. My hair dryer before was also Revlon. It wasn't broken like broken at all. However, when I was using it one day, my hair was caught inside the vacuum part of the hair dryer, like this part right here. So it sucked inside my hair and it caught the propeller inside, and I was having a hard time taking out my hair, and I ended up cutting my hair like maybe 3 inches of my hair because it won't get out. It's like curled, intertwined into the propeller. And after that, I thought it will come back to its working condition, but it wasn't. It won't produce any more heat, and I smell like my hair is burning. So it's like a burnt smell whenever I turned it on. So I have no choice. I have to throw it away. But first, I tried to unscrew everything, but it was so hard, and that part inside the propeller, it's hard to open. So I throw it away, and I bought a new one, and it's still Revlon because I like the brand Revlon. Based on my experience with the hair dryer, it's so easy to use. It's small, it's handy, it's portable, and it's lightweight. And aside from that, the quality is nice, and most of all, it is so affordable. So I bought again the same brand, but it has a different style. So let's open it now. I was talking too long already. Revlon, the Essential Compact Hair Dryer Fast Drying Power. It has 1,875 watts. It says here ultra lightweight, precise styling, 2 heat and speed setting. Okay, and on the side, features: 2 heat and speed setting for precise styling, cold shot button, releases cool air to lock in the style, and hanging ring for easy storage, 2-year limited warranty. What else? I think that's all. So let's open. So I have this pretty, like it's a black color with gray buttons right here. And then my last Revlon hair dryer, it was gray in color. And oh, what is this? Well, it has this reset and test button right here. And then so it has high, off, and low. And I think this is the cold shot button that releases cool air to lock in style right here. So let's begin. Actually, my hair is half dry now, but I usually flat iron my hair when it's totally dry, and if I'm going to wait for my hair to air dry by itself, it will take me a very long time. So let's ask some help from this hair dryer. Let's try with the low. This is low. Well, if you have a thin hair, you can, I think low is fine. But me, I don't have a thin hair. It's like thick and very unruly, so let's try the high. I think my hair is totally dry now, and I timed the total drying time, and it was only 3 minutes, and my hair is totally dry. So the next is I'm going to flat iron my hair now. So this is it, guys. The Revlon compact hair dryer. So if you're going to buy this, it's only $9.99 at Walmart. I bought this from our local Walmart store, and I'm not sure, I haven't checked it online, but it's just try to check your nearest Walmart store and you can find it there. So it is like that length and that length, and it has this, what do you call this, hanging ring for easy storage. And if you're going traveling, you can just roll it like that, and oh, I think, is this foldable? No, it's not foldable. So you can roll it like that around the handle, and it will be like easily stored inside your handbag or in your luggage, because it's not really like small, but it's small enough to fit in a bag. That's all for my video today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bloomingly yours, Daffodil. Bye!